Innovative agricultural technologies have made farming much more productive, safe and environment-friendly by bringing 10 unique, intelligent and smart farming methods and technologies under one roof. Green Harvest Homes will take you to an advanced parallel world. Our innovative farming approach that revitalizes the agricultural sector focuses on productivity and profitability. With in-house development of intriguing technologies and intelligent farming methods, Green Harvest Homes proudly announces the launch of 10 farming methods and technologies to the world. Intelligent Aquaponics Farm. It is a sustainable agriculture system in a symbiotic environment by combining aquaculture and hydroponics. Intelligent aquaponics farming depends on IoT and parameters such as quantity of food, fish feeding, temperature, nutrient concentration, and pH. Intelligent Hydroponics Farm. Hydroponics is a method for growing a farm within a greenhouse. Hydroponics farming is a method of growing crops directly in nutrient-rich water without using soil. It is a system that can produce organic food items in less than half the space of actual farmland. Intelligent Biofloc Farm. Biofloc technology is an eco-friendly aquaculture technique based on in situ microorganism production. The bioflocs are a rich protein lipid natural source of food accessible in situ 24 hours per day due to a multifaceted relation between organic matter, physical substrate and a wide range of microorganisms. This instinctive productivity plays an important role in recycling nutrients and maintaining the water quality. Intelligent Recirculatory Aquaculture System. We are a leader in recirculating aquaculture systems, bringing a unique multidisciplinary approach to indoor fish production and are leading the way in developing inventive recirculating aquaculture system technologies for next generation. Land-based aquaculture. Growing fish in a land-based, closed and controlled environment reduces the risk of disease contamination. Intelligent Aeroponics Farm. With automated aeroponic structure of cultivation, not only plants and foods can be cultivated, but additionally, the data accumulation from the sensors can be utilized for data monitoring for further survey and studies to enhance cultivation magnification utilizing the technology of IoT. We have developed an automatic monitoring system to control the environmental and irrigation conditions of a minuscule aeroponic chamber, utilizing Arduino, which controls the irrigation frequency predicated on the root chamber. Intelligent Indoor Vertical Farming. Vertical farming, as the name suggests, is a form of agriculture that is concretely designed to facilitate agricultural engenderment inside vertical structures like buildings. Astronomically immense scale versions inclined to consist of a series of vertically stacked surfaces that are conventionally, though not always, integrated into subsisting buildings like office blocks, etc. Vertical farming is a revolutionary and disputably more sustainable method of farming for several reasons. Exotic flower cultivation in controlled environment. It grows a few feet from the ground through a technique which provides the seeds and plants with minerals cumulated with water, in lieu of having their roots fortified and victualled by soil. The plants are fortified by an inert growing medium like cocopeat and are rationed via a nutrient affluent water. Small-scale flower growers are taking a cue from organic farmers who have prosperously harnessed the farm-to-table trend. AquaPro. AquaPro is a compact version of intelligent aquaponics. It allows to grow fish as well as vegetables in an easy way. It is a fully automated system with power efficiency as low as 90 watts. Foldable and portable structure allows easy installation and mobility if needed. This system ensures low cost of production while comparing with other soil-based cultivation. The system works with GoPats technology. The system is especially for effortless farming with low cost of production. Compact Hydroponic Systems. Our keenly intellective compact hydroponic system makes growing your produce facile. Our compact hydroponic system has several different models, each with its own proprietary features and technology, so you can pick the one that works for you. There are several different models and kits available. There are some key features to all. Each model comes with your choice of controls, LED lights, capabilities and colors. There's additionally a compact hydroponics garden to fit every budget. Modular indoor self-sustaining grow systems, enabling people to grow plants automatically anytime and anywhere in the world with no prior cognizance or experience needed. Maximum yield, designed to simulate your categorical plant's ideal natural conditions. This future system distributes precision agriculture for Gasconade-worthy yields utilizing minimal space. The increasing demand for organic food, the option to harvest more than 18 times a year, low operational risks and manpower, low water consumption and higher yields than those obtained from soil-based farming are irreplaceable features of smart farming. The smart farming system gives us the opportunity to cultivate anywhere at our convenience. Those who love farming and who want to start commercial farming can now take a bold step into intelligent high-tech farming. Our contact details: Green Harvest Homes, www.greenharvestagriculture.com, GHH toll-free number 1800 4257 649.